Already 5 chances, and they've scored but 2 runs. That's well hit toward left. Polanco going back, still going back. That ball's going to carry to the wall, and Polanco can't come up with it. It's a home run for Freddie Freeman. His first of the year. A scud missile into the seats in left.